Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a smooth, professional looking transition between your video clips using Filmora. It's super easy and instantly makes your videos look way better. Let's jump in. First, go ahead and launch the Filmora and click on New Project. And then here click the Import button under the Media tab or drag and drop your clips directly into your media library. And now, drag your video clips into the timeline. Make sure that you're placed right next to each other where you want the transitions to happen. Then on the left side, click on the Transition tab. You'll find the tons of built-in transitions like fade, wipe, zoom, spin, and many more. And then to apply the transition, simply drag your chosen transition effect and drag and drop it right between the two clips on the timeline. And you'll see a snap into place. Then double click on the transition in the timeline to adjust its duration and alignment. You can make it quicker and slower or perfectly sync with your video's rhythm. And then hit the play button above the timeline to preview your smooth new transition. If it looks good, you're all set. And that's it. A smooth, clean transition in just a few clicks using Filmora. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any easy editing tips. Thanks for watching.